What's up, people? We are here in South Beach in the midst of the hurricane. But it's not here yet. We're checking in. We're staying at the Riviera Hotel on South Beach. Kudos to Sherelle for picking this. So like I said, we're checking in now. Hurricane Dorian is about 3 days out, so we have some time to relax. We've already prepared for the hurricane. We have our supplies. We have the gas. So now it's the calm before the storm. Look at Sherelle back there. I can't zoom in? I guess I can't. Well, we'll give you guys a tour of the hotel once we check in. Look at her back there.
Hey guys. Happy 4th of... It's not 4th of July.
Wow.
What is it called?
Labor Day.
Oh. Happy Labor Day weekend. Right? And happy Hurricane Dorian Eve.
No, not Eve. We're about 3 days out.
Well, it's coming. Well, we decided to have a little staycation for the weekend of Labor Day, right? Because we were like, oh, we need some mommy daddy time, right? Well, there's a hurricane coming. Hurricane Dorian, to be exact. So we decided to still just come. And it's a category 4 hurricane right now. But
no.
It is category 4.
They say when it's so you guys know how the media tries to.
Well, they told. I saw
right now it's a category 2.
Three.
2. They anticipating it hitting the 3 when it hits Bahamas.
No, 4 when it hits Bahamas.
3 or 4 when it hits Bahamas, and the 4 when it hits us. That's predictions. But of
we
course,
decided
everyone's
to still
gonna go spend all their money on gas,
right,
water. And we having a staycation.
I mean, you guys saw. Didn't we have a vlog when we had the other hurricane? Hurricane Irma, and you guys, and Little Ray was such a baby. But we decided to still check in our hotel on South Beach and enjoy the festivities.
God forbid something to happen. People would use this vlog. The couple, they went down to Miami thinking everything was fine.
Right.
Get back home and the house blown away.
Right. But we're kind of prepared for the hurricane. We still need to do a little bit more shopping for the baby, but
show them the balcony.
For the most part, we're good. Let me show y'all the balcony. Well, I don't know if it's because it's a hurricane coming and they didn't have anybody staying here and everybody canceled their rooms, but they upgraded us and gave us a balcony room. Actually, it's pretty cool. Pretty nice.
So we're on Washington and Ocean Drive.
Ocean Drive is right there.
So we're gonna take. We're not gonna walk, are we?
You wanna walk?
We have Uber. Money on the,
we can Uber though.
No, that's so much money. Think about it. We're walking distance.
Yeah.
But we may need to park in the garage.
Yeah. We
have to expand our parking.
Yeah. So we're on South Beach, 2 blocks from the beach. And let me show you our room. They gave us upgraded room.
This time will be the night.
What? Yeah, no. Yeah, we're not baby making over here.
It's going down tonight.
Look at this stuff they gave us.
No, that's not given. We have
look, and it has dust on it, so you know people are not touching it.
It cost us the price of buying the whole
right.
Right.
What else do they have? They have all kind of stuff in this little snack box. But yeah.
I hurt my knee.
Hey y'all. We just got to this restaurant called Burger and Ramen. Ramen and Burger. So we're trying something new. Check him out. You got your ramen.
Spicy lobster ramen.
It look like it got some egg in there. Blow it. It's good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
A real piece of real lobster though.
Real lobster? Yeah. That look good. Yeah. And I got their signature burger. It looks good. So we just ate stuff. It was good. I never had a ramen bowl before. So we're walking, but I want to show y'all, and y'all tell me if y'all think Hurricane Dorian is coming. Let me show. It's so beautiful outside. So beautiful outside. Dorian is nowhere in sight. Everybody's out on the beach.
Ride the white horse.
What are you
If you want to ride the white horse. You don't know nothing about that.
I don't. Where we walking to?
The W.
Walking to the W. And then we gonna...
Sound like you got the itis.
I know, right?
You got the itis, man.
It was good though. It was good.
It was. Just some cocktails. She insists on going to the W, even though our hospital, our hotel is giving away free drinks until 8.
We're just gonna go check out the scenes and be right back.
That we will be dealing with some tough conditions, to say the least, over the next 24 hours.
And I know you're north.
Good morning, people. So they are now saying that the storm will not be a direct hit to Miami. Not surprised. This happens every year. They get everyone out to go buy their supplies. They get everyone on the edge of their seat, anxiety, anxious, and then they say, "Oh, we're just going to get tropical winds." But glad it didn't change our plans. We're still down here on the beach, just waking up. Sherelle is getting ready, and we're going to go get some breakfast.
Morning, guys. See how shiny and bright it is? There's no hurricane coming. So we're out to breakfast. And then what are we gonna do?
Walk the beach.
Yeah, walk the beach.
Sunny, beautiful day.
On South Beach.
Where we at?
South Beach. Oh, we're at this restaurant called News Cafe. And they got a good view, good food. You know where food is. Well, I'm a foodie, you're not a foodie.
Workout. Hold on. Get your workout.
I can't even hold up.
You just gotta. One more time. One more. You gotta hold yourself up. 1, 2, 3.
Come out here, and he still happens to have to work out while we on a mini vacation. Oh, you want to see me do it? Oh, don't hurt yourself.
I think I done told my lady.
You're what? I did not know they had a Muscle Beach on South Beach like in LA. That is so cool. And they got people over there working out. They're getting down over there. We should go join them. Hi guys.
Took a nap.
He took a nap.
I don't even remember where we left off from vlogging.
Where we're headed out to a wedding. That was a part of the staycation too. Is going to a wedding of one of my friends. So congratulations to Ami and Richard if you're watching. So we'll give you some footage as we get there, because y'all know we always running late, and we're running late right now.
Whose fault is that?
That's not my fault. You were sleeping.
Who got ready first? Exactly.
You have lists to do. So we're headed to the wedding now, and we'll see you when we get there. Hi guys.
We did a horrible job. Look how you're holding the camera.
We did a horrible job of vlogging at the wedding last night. We were just in the moment.
They asked for no cameras though. They did.
Oh yeah, they did say no cameras. They did say no filming. So that's why.
Look who's back!
But look who's back. Say hi. Say hi. So we just picked up Little Ray. We're headed home. The storm is still not coming, y'all. It completely made a turn.
No, wait. It
What?
made a
It made a turn not to come
towards
here.
us though. Towards us though.
No, to go to North Carolina.
But no, in the last 2 hours it made like a southern turn.
Yeah.
So we're still in the.
We're still in it, but
no, we're not in it.
we're in a tropical storm warning. That's what we're in now. Tropical storm warning. So we're about to. Huh? Disney World? Oh, you see Mickey Mouse on your yogurt. Yeah.
I think we're the only ones who can understand him.
So yeah, so we're headed home. Lil Ray wants to get in the POOL, so we're gonna see how the weather is. But it does look like it's raining down there, huh? So we're about to spend the rest of Labor Day weekend, just family time. I want a barbecue. You gonna grill up those hot dogs I bought for the hurricane?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs and hamburgers I bought for the hurricane?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay. So we're gonna do that too. So family fun.
Staycations.
Staycation is over. Oh, I'm about to drop the thing. About to drop the...
Papa, what's wrong, mommy?
Say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye, Ray.
Bye-bye, Ray.